CCH Global Minimum Tax is a pre-built expert solution that streamlines BEPS Pillar Two data collection, calculations, reporting, country-by-country reporting process, planning, and performance management according to OECD regulations. CCH Tagetik Global Minimum Tax eases the transition with an end-to-end BEPS Pillar Two process designed for complex data management, auditability, external reporting, and importantly, requirements that are expected to evolve over time. Today, we're going to have a quick look at the solution and see how this solution can address the needs of the Pillar Two process. The pre-built solution reflects the OECD model rules, and in addition to this, further localization can be configured to reflect the various country requirements an organisation may have. The Pillar Two journey starts with initialization to document the organisation's Pillar Two scope and attributes. This will be done on implementation and then maintained as time progresses. Next, we move on to localization. This step allows for additional jurisdictional requirements to be added to the pre-built model. A likely use case for this will be qualifying domestic minimum top-up taxes. The transitional safe harbour step, we will look to source data from the country-by-country reporting process and any other relevant data sources. The key output from this step is the jurisdictional safe harbour tests. These will support whether a jurisdiction will need to do a full calculation under the OECD model rules. Where a jurisdiction will need to perform a full calculation under the rules, we start with entity-level data capture. Data is captured and mapped to the Tagetik data model, and then the calculations for entity-level global income loss, adjusted covered taxes, substance-based income exclusion are all automated as part of the pre-built model. Once the data has been captured and calculated for each of the entities in a jurisdiction, we can then compute the jurisdictional global effective tax rate and any top-up tax for that jurisdiction. When we have all of the jurisdictions' top-up tax positions calculated, we can then look at the allocation of the top-up taxes to the various parent entities in the structure. Finally, in the reporting step of the process, we can review key values for the entities, jurisdictions, and group levels of the organisation. In the future, we will also have, in this step, journals posting back to finance processes and preparation of the global information return and the XML for filing. Global Minimum Tax and CCH Tagetik is a pre-built solution that is designed to be owned by the finance or tax team to meet this complex global regulation and its reporting requirements.